Hope you've been enjoying our lesson so far. So our first word today is carbo. Carbo. Carbo is used for your mates or people that are younger than you. E carbo for older people and also for people you need to show respect to, or for a group of people. So you say e carbo for a group of people that are older than you, and also to show respect. Odabo. Odabo means till you come back. So you're back, but simply goodbye. It just means goodbye. But the meaning is odiabo, till you are back, till when you come back. Pele. Pele is sorry for hurting you, for what I've done. I'm sorry, please forgive me. So which of these words did you just learn?